first day that the sun is out and it's absolutely glorious. So we are going to jump in the ocean in the Irish Sea. So wish us luck. We'll see you afterwards. First swim complete. Well done. Oh, stop. Perfect first swim of the season. Amazingly refreshing. So incredibly beautiful. Like a little bit of Maui in Ireland. So beautiful. Delighted to have been able to share this beautifully gorgeous day that we're having here. It's always uncertain when the sun will come, so I was delighted to have the opportunity to have our first dip. I like to call them initiatory dip into the Irish Sea. As I had mentioned in a previous video, it's just a wonderful way to ground, to connect, to align with the elementals here, and to align with this mystical island, so similar and yet so different from Hawaii. And yeah, over the years, it's just been a real blessing to be able to jump in the ocean even though it's tremendously freezing, it is incredibly invigorating. And one of those traditions here on the island, particularly in this town. So, something that has grown over the years and something that I've really grown in enjoying and loving, and lovely to share it with you. Comment below, let me know if you've jumped in the Irish Sea or if you're partaking in jumping in some freezing ocean in your neck of the woods. And I look forward to connecting with you in the next one. Till then, sending so many aloha Celtic blessings your way.